Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we have my mom and stepdad's 1966 Chevy Suburban. With this vehicle making guest appearances, the black. In the other video I explained that that is liquid wrap, peelable paint, dipyourcar.com. The purple on the roof and grill, side trim, dash, that's actual paint. A little bit of candy flake. So anything candy definitely goes out in the sun. Also, there is a video of me making these side panels, lower side panels, for the new bucket seats that we put in. Seats from LMC. Previously, the vehicle was on air when they got it, but we updated it with an AccuAir setup with all the sensors. We also did an in-frame C-notch in the back to get it a little bit lower. No huge notch, just an in-frame notch, but little cool, little affordable trick on a lot of trucks when you drop them down low without modifying the frame a ton. The center section of the axle likes to hit the truck bed, or in this case, the floor of the Suburban. So great affordable way to solve that problem. You know what that is? It's a chrome cover for the center of the rear end. I believe that might be a Ford or Mopar cover because it had the most depth to it to clear the center of this axle when it's dropped all the way. I will also open up the hood because we did a quick modification of the inner fenders to get it nice and low. So stock, this inner fender structure along here just is flat straight across. So we put this in to clear the larger wheel and tire when it's aired out. And the front frame is really all stock. So with those big wheels and tires, you can see the sidewall is pretty big for a 20. Putting this in, everything clears. And this was super easy. It's really just a trailer fender that already had this roll to it, and then we welded in also a flat piece there to finish that off. This time around, new motor, new trans. It had a big block Chevy in it with a 400 transmission in it, and that big block was cammed. It pounded the ground, and I think their mileage was like single digits. Sounded cool, but they do daily this. This is their second vehicle. So the upgrade, mildly built small block Chevy blueprint engine, their block, their heads, their whole assembly, and we detailed it out with some finned aluminum pieces, chrome alternator, got the polished AC, some polished billet pulleys, aluminum radiator, polished overflow tank, coated headers. It's got the hydro boost for the power steering. Vintage air, we did vintage air on it previously, so it stays nice and cool. It's a very, very nice setup. Very streetable, still plenty of power to get the job done. dual Flowmasters with turn downs before the axle. It sounds nice for sure. Sounds nice for sure. Like I said, we did the bucket seats. We also got rid of the factory column and put a tilt in it. The original column had several issues. Steering wheel was loose, internal bearings were gone or worn out, directionals didn't work. So instead of rebuilding the factory column, which doesn't tilt, this was the way to go. Let's pull this outside so you can see that purple against the black out in the sun, because that roof and the flake, it's a great combo, really great combo. There she is, in the sun, sitting low and mean. Check out that flake. Man, if you got a car with a 50s or 60s vibe to it, that's custom. I love the flake. I love the flake. We also did a while ago the swan neck side mirrors. Just a cleaner look, I think. I know some guys love the big vintage truck mirrors, but me, I like a cleaner look. These mirrors look good, I think, on 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s era vehicles. And I do like the tint against the black. And when you daily it, big vehicle like that in the summer feels good with tint on it, I think. It is a fun driver. I got thumbs up on it this morning when I stopped at the gas station. This is my favorite era Chevy truck. The Suburbans, regular cabs. I really like the B pillar that's raked forward, and then with the Suburban you got the C pillar, D pillar angled forward, and I like this rear roofline profile, and I also like the raised roof right there. I think they got great lines to them, and they only had two-door Suburbans for this generation. Then they came with the 3 doors, and then obviously the 4 doors, but the 2 doors, man, I dig that a lot. Just got great lines to it. I like the profile, like the grill opening where the headlight is, has that angle too. I mean, it just, all the lines, they're just so clean and consistent. It's my favorite Chevy. I mean, does Chevy make a bad looking truck? I don't think so. You let me know. What's your favorite generation Chevy truck? Drop it down in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep bringing you weekly content. I appreciate it.
Thank you for watching this 1966 Chevrolet Suburban video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. What year is your favorite Chevrolet truck?